Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about my latest mosaic? They're giant anteaters. Bit obscure, I know, but I found this ceramic giant anteater that I made about 20 years ago, and I really liked him, and I thought, oh, that would make a great subject for my series of animals falling in love. I'll just put him down. And I love the idea of this really long frieze showing the two anteaters. This time the heart consists of their tongues going round in a heart shape. She's feeling rather amorous, but he's distracted by an ant on his back. The anteater eats 30,000 ants a day, so you'd think that one ant he'd be able to ignore it, but he can't, because of course the reason being he's an anteater. There we are. And this again is expressed in the accompanying verse, which goes like this. Miss Anteater is feeling romantic, but her partner is being pedantic. He would like to respond, but he simply can't take his eyes off that singular ant.